Well, we have a full nitrous bottle now. It's okay, little sweetie. We'll let the anger out in just a couple minutes. So, we're gonna call this segment "How much nitrous does it take?"
We already. This is like my first love.
You know what I did to my first love?
Do I want to know?
I married her. I definitely didn't do this to her. It's official now. It's almost time to have some fun. I took your guys' suggestions on TikTok and we adjusted how our nitrous lines are. So now we're coming right in through the air box here, and it's zip tied up here, so it's spraying right in front of the mass air sensor. I don't know if you can see that very well. Oh!
There she went!
Straight here is good. Just hop up in there. Yeah, you're good. All the way over. There you go, and then I'll pull the trailer right in front of you.
Oh man!
Oh! She's not dead yet! Time for her to go to her new home. So Nissan Sentra can't handle that much nitrous. That was the first hit and she went boom boom.